Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to allow install unknown apps on Samsung Galaxy. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, suggest swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so click on this three dot icon. Now here, so click on second phone. Now here, scroll down and click on install unknown apps. You will see install unknown app is here, so click on install unknown apps. You will see. So if you want to install apps, so turn on. So after the process, click on then all. So after I click on, go back to home screen. After the process, refresh phone. So that's how you can install unknown apps on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.